This is one header, as you guys can see. So that's what we'll be putting on. We'll be putting on the header. We'll be putting on Pypes Performance exhaust. This is the catalytic converter, as you guys can see. The long headers. Alright. Also, we're going to be putting on the Pypes Performance exhaust, which will be the Cat Back. So, we got these parts of the Cat Back. These parts of the cat back should add on to the extension.
I didn't have any sandwiches.
Alright.
But I got this.
Alright, that's fine.
I put it right here. Oh, and I bought this too.
Taking everything
Just in case.
Alright, I don't think alright. Exhaust pipe right here. Of course, the pipe that goes over the rear axle, that's this pipe right here. All of this is being changed out. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sounds like before and then after.
Yeah.
And also show y'all what it looks like before and after under the car with the pipes on compared to with the pipes off.
Okay.
These are obviously all the hardware kits for it. Shouldn't be.
Okay. Even if this is like this?
Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem. The rest of the other parts that are for the other side of the exhaust. Probably facing right in the camera too. I said you probably right in the camera too.
Oh.
It's alright.
Get out the way.
Alright, so as you guys can see it. Oh, don't make no noise. It's not supposed to. That's pretty much what it's supposed to do, is breathe. We're gonna give it a good sound. And guys, we have our connections other parts, if they aren't connected, they're meant to connect up into this section of it. Show y'all guys real quick, right into this part. So something similar to that extent, whatever side fits in there. But yeah, it goes in like that, guys. And then of course there's a turner right there. I gotta loosen that up and then tighten it back up, made for adjustments. And that is everything, guys. We're gonna put all of this on one car and take everything on one car off of it, and we'll go from there. So I'll let you guys see the next project part, but we're finna start it up. I already lifted the car up so I can get under it and stuff like that. I just needed the box actually so I can lay down on the ground, so I had to show you guys that before I got started. But we're gonna get ready to start it and then go from there, and you guys will hear the before and the after.